Wondering what happens when you get tested for COVID-19? Here's what you need to know. Step 1. Taking a sample. To test for COVID-19, health workers need to take swabs of your throat and nose. Step 2. Detecting the COVID-19. In India, the Indian Council of Medical Research has designated labs that use conventional real-time polymerase chain reaction (RT-PCR) test on the samples. Such tests are commonly used in influenza and H1N1 virus detection. So what is this PCR test? PCR uses an enzyme, polymerase, and a technique, chain reaction, to create copies of a segment of DNA. However, coronavirus is made of RNA, which needs to be converted into DNA. This is done by a process called reverse transcription. Copies of the DNA are then made and amplified. A fluorescent DNA binding dye called the probe shows the presence of the virus. How long does the PCR process take? RT-PCRs have brought down the time taken to 4.5 hours from 6 hours earlier, says ICMR scientist Dr. R.R. Gangakhedkar. However, the overall turnaround time from sample collection to report delivery is around 24 hours. How is the test being done in India? India currently conducts a 2-stage RT-PCR test for COVID-19, says NIMHANS senior professor Dr. V. Ravi. The first stage detects genetic elements common to human coronaviruses like SARS and MERS. The second stage tests for specific genes present only in the COVID-19 virus. Until the beginning of March, the initial screening test was done by all labs, but the confirmatory PCR was only done by the National Institute of Virology in Pune. Later, NIV Pune transferred the tech to all labs so that there is no need for a sample to go all the way to Pune. Is India testing enough? Importing reagents critical to RT-PCR had made COVID-19 testing in India slow and expensive. But the good news is that Indian firms have developed the capability to mass-produce kits and all its components within the country. Like Pune's MyLab Discovery, the first Indian company to develop RT-PCR test kits. In fact, the tests of 5 companies, Altona Diagnostics, MyLab, Kilpest, Syngene, and ST Biosensor, showed 100% concordance with NIV Pune. As such, ICMR has recommended them for licensing and manufacture to help ramp up the test from 18,000 per day to 1 lakh per day. Models like phone boot testing have also been started in Kerala, West Singhbhum in Jharkhand, and Tirupur in Tamil Nadu. Amid a spike in cases, we hope all these measures speed up COVID-19 screening in India.